Thank you very much for joining me today. Today we are going to make little jar like this, right? And you have two other things. Okay, one big envelope like this. You have snowman, right? That you are going to attach, okay? And things on it, and hopefully you are going to make cheerful snowman. You have also small envelope like this. This you may have different ones. Like I have here 4 different pictures of 4 different items. Okay, so I happen to have deer like this. You might have this or this. So everybody is different. All right. Okay. And I hope you have enough materials. In order to make this, you have little envelope of tissue paper like this. Okay. And then you have also mud patch and the brush, okay, special glue brush. Okay. So let's start. All right. Since I didn't have enough of this for myself, so I checked my kitchen. So I found some like this, and then here like this, and then here for pickling. Okay, so I'm going to make this, use this one here. Okay, so it has some kind of pattern. Okay, what you do is it's already tissue is inside. All right, so you need a mud patch, and let's start. Okay, all right, this you can just apply. Okay, instead of doing all over, I think partially I will do partially, so it won't dry up. Oh, there's no wrong thing. You can just do it, and you can just put your tissue paper. Okay, if you have an extra tissue paper at home, then you can create different patterns. All right, this is mostly circles and squares and triangles and things like that. So whatever you have, that's fine. Okay, just attaching like this. And I need a different one here. I think I need like a tweezers or something to pick up. I think it's best to have a little bit darker colors because it shows up. Okay, and need more glue, and then you can put mud patch over it. Okay, little bit later time. Okay. Because if it is wet, I think it moves, so I'll be a little bit careful. Okay, let's see. Triangle here, like this. This. Now also, just if you have glitters at home, you can use too. I think this I used it, made it some time ago. At that time I had the glitter, so here I don't know if you can see it or not. Can you see the glitter? Okay. All right, more. So kind of easy process, isn't it? All right. Okay. Oh, this has so many circles. Oh, I have a triangle, all the triangles. Yeah. All right. Okay. And I think soon it's all around. This goes very quickly. All right. Let's see. This might be too pale, so I put a little bit darker color here, darker color here. Oops, something. Oh, this is Deer's scarf. Okay, how about the green? It's like this. Like this. So, how is yours coming? Okay. All right. This is yellow, pink. Oh, I have plenty of tissue. That's good. And my fingers are getting kind of like a flow of glue. Okay. There. I think I need a little bit down here. It's okay to overlap, right? Somewhere it's empty spots. Empty spots. This has two double. This empty here. This. Okay, just look around. Okay, need somewhere else. Oh, this happened to be like a leaf. All right. This pink is a little bit. This I don't think we need two together. Let's put a different one. Okay. Here, good one, dark color here, so that's good. I think it's okay. Here it needs something else here. How about orange? Orange. Yeah, need orange. Yeah. I think it's nice to overlap two patterns. Now I am going to put glue over it. Okay? Very gently, because otherwise you are moving them. Okay, just gently. Okay, gently applying. Then it will dry up. Okay. Okay. Very gently. So you have a lot of plans during the holiday time. Yeah, that's wonderful. I think I'll be working, and then when I have a day off, then I will be playing with grandsons. Okay. How is yours? It's coming okay? Okay. If it looks like glue is thick, it will be drying, so don't worry, okay? Just leave it for a while, okay? So it looks like right now it's white, but it will be okay. Okay, I'm going to leave it aside. It will be like this. It's kind of clear, little bit cloudy, but it's clear. Okay, like this. Okay, all right. Okay, next one is I am going to do a deer, since I have that pattern here. I will show you one more time, like this. Okay, I happen to have this one here, like this. All right, that's what I'm going to do. So I have here, looks very cute. Okay. I am going to put this around here, the tummy area. Okay. Luckily, this is very easy, right? Very good. I'm going to see this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Oh, there has tissue. What else? I am going to put nose. Okay. Again, everybody has different one. Okay. This I should peel this. This part is this part, right? Okay. Okay. Here it is. Okay. How about cheeks? Cheeks. Okay. Here. Here. Okay. It goes very fast, very fast, and then this there is getting all sort of tissue here. And ears. I think I have ears. This is their ears. Okay. All right. Yeah, part. This. And press it. Okay. It's cute. The last one is scarf. All right. Let's see scarf. Where? Here it is. The scarf. Okay, like this. Okay. Very good. It's very simple, right? Very good. So here goes. Here goes like this. All right. Da da da. Here's the deer. Okay. What is yours? Maybe penguin or snowman or polar bear, right? Okay. All right. Now, okay. This I'm not going to do it, but you can do your big snowman. All right. Everything should be in an envelope. All right. So you can create here ribbons and let me see the other things. Oh yeah, what's this? What's this? Okay, hat and eyes. This is their buttons. Buttons in the center. Okay, buttons. Yeah, Christmas decorations and cheeks, and it should be eyes too. Okay, yep, Just eyes. If eyes are not sticky, then you can use glue. I hope you have glue at home. Okay, since I didn't put. Oh, you can use matte patch too, but I don't know if we do okay or not. Try it, right? And then carrot nose. All right. So I'll leave it to you how you can do it. All right. Now I have one announcement to do. From next year, exactly from February, I am going to change a little bit of this format, and what I'm going to do is sort of like in person, and it will be all announced, so don't worry about it if you don't catch it. Okay? Most likely first one of Saturdays a month from February, right? From 10 o'clock to 11:30, and you can come anytime between that time. All right. If you don't want to do it, you can just take your materials and you can do it at home. If you have time, you can do it in the library. Okay. So that is my plan, and then we'll see how it will work out. All right. Since we are open, and I want you to come to the library, and then I'm going to just try it. All right. So I'd like to know your opinions too, right? I do appreciate your input, all right? So I hope you have a very happy and safe holiday time, and I will see you next year, all right? Meantime, please stop by in the library, okay? So thank you very, very much for your interest and participating in my program. I really, really appreciate it. And you can send me pictures of your artwork, and really appreciate your participation. So take care. Thank you so much. Okay? Bye bye.